much? Show me your 3 fingers. Ansel, show me your 3 fingers. You need to unmute yourself, Ansel. Please unmute yourself. Ansel, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah. Now from these 3 fingers, how many you will remove?
2.
Yeah. Remove. How many?
1.
Yeah. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will write 1 here. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Yes, Bhanu. Bhanu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were using this. Yeah, you have used this raised hand option. Tell me, do you have any doubt, Bhanu?
Ma'am, finish.
Oh, very good. Very good. That's good. Veda. Veda.
Ma'am.
Yes, Veda.
Ma'am.
Second question. 1 minus 0.
1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 0.
Huh? 2 minus 1 is
2
equal to 0.
minus 1 is equals to 1.
What is the answer?
Answer is 11.
Very good. Answer is 1, 1, 11. Very good. Mana,
Yes, ma'am.
start writing answers also. Okay, Mana, tell me answer for third question. 2 minus 1, how much? Show me your 2 fingers. 2 minus 1?
1.
Very good. So 2 minus 1, 1. And 4 minus 1?
3.
Very good. So what is the answer? Answer is 3, 1.
31.
Very good. Answer is 3, 1, 31. Now next, fourth question. Bhanu,
Yes, ma'am.
read question number 4 quickly. 12? No, 1 to 12.
Minus 0.
12 minus 0. Okay, so tell me 2 minus 0, how much?
2.
Very good. So we'll write here 2. And below this one, there is no number. So what will we write here?
As this.
Yeah, so we'll write this one as it is. What is the answer, Bhanu?
12.
Very good. Answer is 12. Ayansh. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
4 minus 1, how much?
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we'll write here 3. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Question number 6. 51 minus 1. 1. So now tell me 1 minus 1.
0.
Very good. 1 minus 1 is 0. And below this 5, no number is there. So what we'll write here? Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Yeah, what we will write here?
4.
4. Below this 5, there is no number, Siddharth. We will write that number as it is. So we will write this 5 as it is. So what is the answer, Siddharth?
50.
Yeah. If there is no number, as you all can see below this 5, there was no number. So we will copy that 5 as it is. So answer is 50. Yes, Ritvik.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, very good. That's very good. Ronald, am I audible to you? Ronald, am I audible to you? Bhavashrit?
Yes.
Yeah. Bhavashrit, please read question number 7. 4, 3, 43.
43 minus 33.
Very good. It's 43 minus 33. So tell me 3 minus 3, how much? Show me your 3 fingers.
3 take away 3.
Bhavashri, show me your
0.
3. Yeah. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we'll write here 0. And 4 minus 3 is how much? Show me your 4 fingers. And how many you will remove now?
3.
Yeah. How many? Yeah. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we'll write here 1. Okay, that's the correct answer. So answer is 1, 0, 10. Now, next. Brinda. Brinda, please read question number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read question number 8, Brinda.
82, 82.
Minus.
Minus 0.
Very good. So tell me 2 minus 0, how much?
Minus 2.
2 minus 0 is how much, Brinda? If you will subtract 0 from any number, what you will get?
2.
Yes. So 2 minus 0 is 2. And what we will write here?
8.
Yeah, we will write 8 as it is because there is only one number, that is 8. So what is the answer, Brinda?
Answer.
Answer 82, 82.
Very good. So answer is 8 to 82. Very good, children. So I'm clearing all this. Okay, before that, is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? No? Okay, fine. So I'm clearing all this. Now, next question. Okay, children, listen. No need. Okay, copy all the questions now. Yes, children, start writing these questions in your math notebook. Quickly. Start writing. Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Manha, now can you see what I'm sharing?
No, ma'am.
Still?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Manha, then I'll wait. Yes, Ansil. Ansil Raj. Ansil, you need to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, what is your doubt?
No, ma'am.
And why are you using raise hand option? Manha,
Yes, ma'am.
start writing the questions now.
Okay.
Yeah. So, right, ninth question is 78, 78, 78. Then in next line, write minus
Minus.
and then write 1, 0, 10. 78 minus 10. You have to write that 10 below 78, okay? And Mana, please share your classwork and homework with me, okay? Now write next question, question number 10.
Question number 10. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, this is 7, 6, 76.
7, 6, 76.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
Then write 3, 4, 34. Below 76.
4.
Below 76 you have to write 3, 4, 34. Okay?
Okay.
Done?
Done.
Okay, now write next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Write 3, 6, 36.
3, 6, 36.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And below 6 you have to write 6 again. Below that 6 write only 6. So this is 36 minus 6.
36 minus 6.
Now write next question.
Next question.
Write 7, 8, 78.
7, 8, 78.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And then write 2, 4, 24 below 78.
Okay.
Yeah.
24.
Manha, done?
Done.
Okay. Shall I tell you next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write next question 2 1 21.
2 1 21.
Then put minus sign in next line.
Okay, ma'am.
And then write 1 1 11 below
1.
21.
Yes, ma'am.
Below 21 you have to write 1 1 11. The
Okay,
question
ma'am.
is 21 minus 11. Done?
Done.
Okay. Now next question.
Next. Yes.
Mana, I hope you are leaving proper boxes between every two questions, okay? You have to
Okay.
leave proper boxes. Next question. 7 8 78.
78. 78.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And then write 5 1 51.
161.
No, 5 1 51. Below 78 you have to write 51. 5 1 51. Done?
Done.
Okay. Next question. Write 2 7 27.
2 7 27.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And write 1 5 15 below 27.
1 5 15.
Done?
Done.
Okay. Next question.
Yes.
Yeah. 4 6 46.
4 6 46.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And then write 3 0 30 below 46.
3 0 30.
Done? Question is
Done.
46 minus 30.
46 minus 30.
Done? Shall I tell you next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write 6 3 63.
6 3 63.
In next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
Now below 63 write 3 1 31.
3 1 31.
Done? Manha, done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now write next question 6 7 67.
6 7 67.
Now in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
Now below 7 write 6. Mana, below 7 write 6.
7.
No. I said below 7 you have to write 6, Mana.
Okay, ma'am.
Question is 67 minus 6.
67 minus 6.
Okay.
Okay.
Shall I tell you next question?
Mm.
Mana, shall I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write next question 4 4 44.
4 4 44.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And below 44 write 1 4 14.
1 4 14.
Done?
Done.
Last question. Write 6 1 61.
6 1 61.
Then in next line put minus sign.
Minus sign.
And exactly below that 1 write 1. So
Okay, ma'am.
question is 61 minus 1.
61 minus 1.
Done?
Done.
Okay, Mana. So I'll be asking questions one by one. So you have to listen very carefully, okay? And you have to match your answers. As you cannot see the screen, so listen very carefully, okay, Mana? Yeah, good girl. Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing down the questions? Children, is there anyone who is still writing the questions? Okay, so none of you has used raised hand option. So we will move forward. And we'll start. Tanvishree,
Yes, ma'am.
please read. Yeah, please read question number 9. 78.
78 minus 10.
Very good. So tell me 8 minus 0.
78 minus 10.
Okay.
78 minus
Okay.
minus
Okay. I heard. But tell me 8 minus 0 how much?
8 minus 0, 8.
Very good. And 7 minus 1?
6.
Very good. So answer is?
68.
Very good. Answer is 6868. That's the correct answers. Sai Ritvik, you read next question. Question number 10.
76 minus 3, 4, 34.
Very good. So tell me 6 minus 4 how much?
2.
Very good. So we'll write here 2. And 7 minus 3?
4.
Very good. So what is the answer?
42.
Very good. Answer is go to 42. Ketan,
Ma'am.
read next question. Question number 11. 3, 6, 36.
3, 6, 36.
Yes. Then?
Take 3 fingers.
No.
Forward.
No. Read the question. 36. Then minus.
Minus
After minus sign, what is the number? Ketan, you need to unmute yourself. Ketan, unmute yourself.
6.
Read again. Please read again. 36. Yeah.
30, 36 plus
No.
minus
Yeah, 36 minus.
6.
Very good. So now tell me 6 minus 6 how much?
Right. 6.
6 minus 6 how much? Show me your 6 fingers.
6 fingers.
Now how many you will remove?
6.
Remove 6 fingers.
0.
Yeah, so 6 minus 6 is 0. And what we will write here?
3.
Yeah, only one number is there, that is 3. So we will write that 3 as it is. So answer is 3030. Sai Joseph,
Ma'am.
read question number 12 quickly. 7, 8,
12.
8.
78 minus 24.
Very good. So tell me 8 minus 4 how much?
What, ma'am?
8 minus 4 how much?
4.
Very good. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 7 minus 2?
5.
Very good. What is the answer?
5 or 54.
Very good. The answer is 5454. Arohi? Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arohi. Please read question number 13 to 121.
121.
Yes.
Yes.
Minus.
11.
Very good. 21 minus 11. So tell me 1 minus 1 how much?
0.
Very good. And 2 minus 1?
1.
So what is the answer?
10.
Very good. Answer is 10. That's the correct answer. Suryansh,
Yes, ma'am.
please read question number 14. 7, 8, 78.
78.
Then read that symbol.
Minus.
Very good.
Minus 51.
Very good. So tell me 8 minus 1 how much?
8
Show me.
minus 1.
Yeah, show me your 8 fingers. Suryansh, show me your 8 fingers. Yeah, now how many you will remove?
8 minus.
How many fingers you will remove?
1.
Now remove 1 finger and tell me how many are left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Huh? Count. No, count again.
5 fingers పెట్టు first. Count చేయి మొత్తం.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7 fingers are left. This means 8 minus 1 is 7. Now next one. 7 minus 5, how much? Take out your 7 fingers. Very good. 7 minus 5 is 2. So answer is 2, 7. Surya, answer is 2, 7.
27.
Very good. Answer is 2, 7, 27. Tarini, read question number, Tarini, read question number 15.
15.
1, 5, 15. Question number 15. 2, 7, 27.
2, 7, 27 minus 1, 5, 15 equals
Right.
1,
Yeah.
2, 20. 1, 2.
Okay. Tarini, we'll go step by step. 7 minus 5, how much?
7 minus 5 is equal to, and 2 minus 1 equals 1.
7 minus 5 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 1, 2. Yes, Tarini, answer is 1, 2.
12.
Yes, so answer is 1, 2, 12. Now it's correct. Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
please read question number 1, 6, 16. 4, 6, 46.
6, ma'am.
No, read that question. 46 minus. Question number 16. 46 minus.
Question number 16.
16.
Yeah. 4, 6, 46 minus.
4, 6, 46 minus
Yeah. 3, 0, 30.
30, 30.
So this is 46 minus 30. Now tell me 6 minus 0, how much? If you are, yeah, if you will remove 0 from any number, what you will get?
6, ma'am.
Very good. You will get that same number. So 6 minus 0 is 6. And 4 minus 3, how much? Show me your 4 fingers. And how many you have to remove now?
3, ma'am.
Yeah, remove 3 fingers and tell me how many are left.
1, ma'am.
So we'll write here 1. What is the answer, Hayati?
16.
Very good. So answer is 1, 6, 16. Very good. That's the correct answer. Ashrita,
Yes, ma'am.
read question number 1, 7, 17.
36.
No, 63. 6, 3, 63.
63.
Yeah.
31.
Minus 31. Read that symbol.
Minus 31.
Very good. So tell me 3 minus 1, how much?
2.
Very good. And 6 minus 3? Show me your 6 fingers.
3.
Yeah, 6 minus 3 is 3. So answer is 3, 2, 32. That's the correct answer. Pradiksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Pradiksha, read question number 18. 6, 7, 67. Question number 18. 67.
Oh, ma'am. Address
Question number 18. 1, 8, 18. Yes, Pradiksha, I'm waiting. Pradiksha, please read 67 minus.
67 minus 6.
Okay, good. Now tell me 7 minus 6, how much? Show me your 7 fingers and then remove 6 fingers. Show me your 7 fingers, Pradiksha. Yeah, now remove 6 fingers. How many are left?
1.
So we'll write here 1. And what we will write here? Is there any number below this 6?
No.
So we will write that 6 as it is. We will write that 6 as it is. So now what is the answer, Pradiksha?
6161.
Answer is 6161. Very good. Ananya,
Teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
read question number 19 now. 1919. Question number 19. 4, 4, 44.
0.
No, read that question.
Question reads.
4. 4 in the man.
No, I said read the question. 4, 4, 44.
4, 4, 44.
Then minus.
Minus
Yes.
1. Minus 4.
Minus 1, 4.
14.
So this is 44 minus 14. What is this, Ananya? What is the question? 44.
4, 4, 44. Minus
1,
0.
4. 1, 4.
1, 4, 14.
Yes. So now tell me 4 minus 4 how much?
0.
Yeah. Whenever we are subtracting same numbers, we will get 0. And 4 minus 1 how much? Show me your 4 fingers. How many you will remove?
3.
No. How many you will remove?
1.
Yeah. Remove 1 finger and tell me how many are left.
3.
So we'll write here 3. And what is the answer?
Answer.
30.
Answer is 30. That's the correct answer. Okay, now next question. Question number 20. Arhan,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, read question number 20 now. 6, 1, 61. Last question.
61 minus 1.
61 minus?
1.
Very good. So tell me 1 minus 1 how much? Mayuri, you are not writing.
0.
1 minus 1 is 0. Very good. And what we'll write here? There is no number below this 6. So, yeah. So what is the answer?
60.
Very good. Answer is 60 children. Very good, Arhan. Those who have completed, please check your answers. Okay? Please check your answers, children. Again, I'll repeat, those who have completed, please check your answers.